In this question, it is given that the vector A equal to minus I plus 2j plus k is rotated through a right angle passing through the y-axis in its way, and the resulting vector is B. Then the projection of CA plus root 2b on C, this vector is given, and you have to find the correct choice. First of all, I will tell you how to draw the coordinate axis in 3D. Many students think that if I draw three perpendicular lines, they will work as x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. But no, take care. We always deal with right-handed system. And in right-handed system, we should note that if I put a screw at origin and rotate the screw from x-axis to y-axis, the screw will come outside, and therefore positive z-axis will be this side. If, for example, x, y and z I write, this is wrong diagram, because if it is x axis, y axis and I put the screw in this way and I rotate the screw from x axis to y axis, the screw will go down. Therefore the correct figure will be, if I draw this as positive z-axis and if I take this as negative z-axis, then only it will be a correct diagram. But it is very inconvenient to take x-axis, y-axis and z-axis in this way. But this is not any problem. Otherwise, if I want to draw proper figure, I will have to draw in this way. If I take this as x-axis, this as y-axis, then I can take this as positive z-axis. Note that a vector along y-axis is j. Actually, I can take any vector along y-axis because I want to find a vector which is coplanar with this vector and y-axis, that is j vector, and is perpendicular to a vector. And because p cross q cross r vector is a vector which is coplanar with q and r and is perpendicular to p. Hence, to find the vector which is lying in the plane of y-axis and this vector and is perpendicular to this vector, I will say that vector is lambda times a cross j, because this will be a vector which is in the plane of a and j and is perpendicular to a. And I have written lambda also because b vector which is to be found lies in the plane of a and j and is perpendicular to a. Hence I can say b vector is lambda times a cross j. Clearly this is a vector lying in the plane of a and j and is perpendicular to a. And I have written lambda also because the vector b which is to be found, that vector and a vector have same magnitude. I will find the value of lambda so that magnitude of b and magnitude of a are same. And now let us find the value of a cross j, that is minus I plus 2j plus k cross j. And we know that I cross j is k, hence I get minus k, j cross j is 0 and k cross j is minus I, because j cross k is I, therefore k cross j will be minus I. And now actually I have to find a cross j. Actually a obvious question will arise in your mind that had I taken a cross j cross a, this will be also a vector lying in the plane of J and A and perpendicular to A, then why I have not taken this? Actually, whatever I take this or this. Finally, our answer will be same. Why? You will understand. Presently, I am using this. Now, A cross J will be I, J, K, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1. This is equal to minus 2I, minus 2J, and plus 2K. And recall that I had taken B equal to lambda times A cross J. Hence, the value of B vector becomes minus 2I, minus 2J, plus 2K. And I will find the value of lambda so that magnitude of B and magnitude of A are equal. Clearly, magnitude of A is under root 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is under root 6. Mod of B is equal to mod lambda into mod of minus 2I, minus 2J, plus 2K. That is mod of B equal to mod of lambda under root 4 plus 4 plus 4, and we know that mod B is equal to mod A. Hence, I get mod lambda into 2 root 3 is equal to root 6. That is mod lambda is equal to 1 by root 2. That is lambda is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Note that it was given that the vector this is rotated through right angle, and while rotating it is passing through y axis also. It clearly means that the vector B is making acute angle with y axis. And because by taking the value of lambda plus minus 1 by root 2, I'll be getting two values of B vector. But I will be taking that value of B vector in which coefficient of J is positive, because the vector B is making acute angle with y axis. Hence, to find the value of B vector, I will take the value of lambda as minus 1 by root 2, because I want the coefficient of J to be positive. That is minus 2I plus, that is B vector, is equal to root 2 into I plus J minus K. Obviously, if I had started from A cross J cross A, in that case, again, I would have got the value of lambda as plus minus 1 by root 2. But in that case, plus sign would have come here. And in that case, I would have taken the value of lambda as 1 by root 2. That is why I was telling you that finally we are going to get the same answer, whether you start with A cross J or A cross J cross A. And now it is clear that the vector 3A plus root 2B means three A, that is 3 into minus I plus K plus root 2 into I plus J minus K. That is equal to minus 3I plus 6J plus 3K plus I plus 2J minus 2K. That is, I get minus I plus 8J plus K. And we know this formula also. If two vectors alpha and beta are given, projection of alpha on beta is given by alpha dot beta upon mod beta. You must be knowing this formula. And because I have to find the projection of this vector on C vector, hence projection of this on C will become minus I plus 8j plus k dot 5I plus 4j plus 3k upon mod of 5I plus this is equal to minus 5 plus 32 plus 3 upon under root 25 plus 16 plus 9, that is 30 upon 5 root 2, that is 3 root 2. Hence I can say first choice is the correct choice.